is to defend the American people by eliminating imminent threats from the Iranian regime.
The Strait of Hormuz, once again at the center of global tension. A narrow stretch of water,
our commitment
but one that holds the balance of energy, a tajura, and stability
as our
for much
advantages
of the world.
continue to increase.
And now, the situation is escalating. In response, the United States has launched a large-scale air deployment, one designed for speed, precision, and immediate impact. Thousands of troops, hundreds of aircraft, all moving in a carefully coordinated operation that unfolds in minutes, not hours. At the center of it all, the V-22 Osprey, a machine unlike any other. Neither helicopter nor airplane, but something in between. Its massive rotors tilt forward for speed, then rotate upward for vertical landing. This allows it to take off from tight spaces, fly long distances at high speed, and insert troops exactly where they're needed. And in this mission, that capability changes everything. It begins with staging. On multiple ships and forward bases, Marines move into position. Gear is checked, weapons secured, final briefings delivered in controlled, focused silence. There is no confusion here. Every unit knows its role. Every second is accounted for. Then, the signal. Engines ignite, one by one. Then, all at once, V-22 Ospreys lift into the air. The sound is unmistakable. A deep mechanical roar as rotor blades cut through the air, lifting thousands of pounds of aircraft, equipment, and personnel into motion. But this is not a scattered launch. It's synchronized. Dozens, then hundreds of aircraft forming into organized waves, climbing into the sky with precision timing. From above, it looks almost unreal. A formation of moving power, stretching across the horizon. Then the transition. Rotors tilt forward. Speed increases. The formation accelerates, moving low and fast toward its objective. This is where the mission becomes critical. Flying at low altitude reduces detection. It keeps the aircraft below radar coverage, using terrain and curvature of the Earth as protection. But it also increases risk. There is little room for error. Every pilot must maintain formation, speed, and awareness, all while navigating a contested environment. And still, the operation continues without pause. Above them, air support remains active. Fighter jets patrol the skies, scanning for threats. Surveillance aircraft track movement on the ground. Every layer of the operation is connected. Air, sea, and land working together in real time. Back inside the Ospreys, the Marines prepare, seated side by side, focused and steady. They've trained for this moment. Rapid insertion, fast deployment, immediate action upon landing. There's no delay once they hit the ground, because in a mission like this, timing is everything. As the formation approaches the target zone, the pace shifts again. Speed decreases. Rotors tilt upward. Aircraft begin their descent. Dust kicks up as the first Osprey touches down. Then another, and another. A controlled wave of arrivals, each one delivering troops directly into position. Within minutes, thousands of Marines are on the ground, organized, equipped, ready. This is what rapid deployment looks like. Not just movement, but immediate presence. A force that can arrive, establish control, and respond before the situation has time to change. And that's the message behind this operation. Speed, coordination, readiness, the ability to project power anywhere, at any time. But as impressive as it is, it also raises an important question. What happens when rapid deployment becomes constant deployment? Because every mission like this increases pressure. Every movement adds to the tension. And in a region already on edge, the the margin for error becomes smaller and smaller. For now, the operation stands as a demonstration of capability, a signal of strength, a reminder of what modern military forces can do when everything works in perfect coordination. But the real story is what comes next, because in the Strait of Hormuz, every action leads to a reaction.